Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to link a bank account to a Wise app. So let's get started. First of all, open the Wise app on your Android device and log into your account. Once you are on the home screen, tap on the recipient's icon from the bottom bar. Then select Add Recipient and choose the currency. After that, tap on Enter Bank Details and choose Myself. Next, enter your bank account details carefully. Make sure all the information is correct before proceeding. After you double check everything, tap on Confirm. Once the bank account is verified, it will be successfully linked to your Wise app. You can now use it to send and receive money or even to fund your transfers. And that's it. Now you know how to link bank account to the Wise app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.